So there is an eye wash that is very beneficial for sore eyes, for bloodshot eyes, for dry eyes. And this can also be used for glaucoma.
Vision problems such as blurred vision, dry eyes, cataracts, and glaucoma often result from factors such as eye strain, oxidative stress, dehydration, poor diet, or chronic conditions such as diabetes, even aging. However, Barbara O'Neill, a well-known health educator, advocates natural remedies to restore and protect vision. She reveals the secrets that could restore vision without lifelong dependence on glasses or invasive medical treatments. Therefore, in this video, we will discover the powerful natural remedies that can help improve eye health and reduce the need for glasses.
It's a half a teaspoon of golden seal, and a half a teaspoon of Eyesight. And 1 cup of boiling water. So you cool and strain. And then you can wash your eyes with a little eye wash, you know, the little eye bath. You can wash your eyes with that a couple of times a day. I've had guests come to our program with dry eyes and some people with weepy eyes. They're always wiping their eyes, and they have found that this tea has helped them.
Barbara O'Neill highlights the benefits of using a herbal eye wash made from golden seal and Eyesight, 2 powerful herbs known for their eye healing properties. This herbal remedy serves as a natural way to alleviate eye discomfort, blurred vision, and redness while potentially reducing the risk of serious eye conditions. To prepare the eye wash, combine half a teaspoon of golden seal powder and half a teaspoon of Eyesight herb with 1 cup of boiling water. Let the mixture steep for about 10 to 15 minutes before straining it through a fine cloth. Once cooled, the solution can be used as an eye wash to rinse the eyes or as a compress by soaking a cloth in the liquid and placing it over closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Golden seal is known for its natural antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce eye redness and infections, while Eyesight has a long history of being used to improve vision and alleviate eye fatigue.
So if anyone's traveling, maybe they just bring some golden seal back with them. You can get it in America. It's a very powerful herb. It's called King of Tonics to all mucous membranes, and your eyes are a mucous membrane. Eyesight is a leaf. You buy it from a herb shop. In some health food shops, they actually have Eyesight and golden seal drops. I've seen that. But Eyesight herb is a specific for all eye problems.
Eyesight is a powerful herb that Barbara O'Neill recommends for those who suffer from vision problems. This herb contains beneficial compounds such as flavonoids and tannins, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory and vision-enhancing properties. Eyesight helps reduce swelling in the eyes, relieve eye strain, improve blood circulation to the eye tissues, and alleviate symptoms related to seasonal eye allergies. It can be used as an herbal tea to support eye health from the inside, or it can be taken as a supplement for a more systemic approach to vision improvement.
If the person is almost blind from cataracts, have the surgery. But if it was me, I'd probably do the castor oil for a month or 2 and see if that helps. Remember, eye surgery has come a long way. In fact, all surgery has come a long way. I think it's the only area in medicine that has really advanced is surgery. But regarding drug medication, I think we're still in the dark ages there.
For individuals suffering from cataracts, Barbara O'Neill advises using castor oil as a natural remedy to dissolve the buildup of proteins that cause cloudiness in the lens. Applying 1 drop of organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil on the upper eyelid at night can help lubricate the eyes and dissolve cataracts over time. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, an antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and protects the eyes from damage. It also has natural antimicrobial properties that can prevent infections and further support eye health.
Twitching eye or floaters in the eye. The twitching eye, magnesium can help that. You see, your eyes, nose, ears and mouth are all connected by eustachian tubes. There is some foods that cause a blockage of those tubes. And when those tubes are blocked, it can affect the eyes, it can affect the ears, it definitely can affect the sinus, and it's wheat and dairy. And refined sugar can certainly feed that along.
The interconnectedness of the eyes, ears, and mouth means that systemic health issues can impact multiple sensory organs. Chronic conditions like dehydration can lead to both dry eyes and hearing problems, while blood sugar imbalances can cause blurred vision and complications in the auditory system. Additionally, deficiencies in certain nutrients can manifest as problems with the eyes, gums, or inner ear. Maintaining a balanced diet that includes foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like zinc and selenium, can help address these interconnected health issues. Barbara O'Neill underscores the importance of diet in maintaining healthy vision. She warns that poor dietary habits can have detrimental effects on eye health, as well as on the ears and mouth. Certain foods, such as refined sugars, trans fats, and processed oils, can promote inflammation and contribute to conditions like diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma, and cataracts. For optimal eye health, it is important to focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the retina and improve visual function. Carrots and bell peppers, which are high in beta-carotene, support night vision. Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, provide omega-3 fatty acids that help prevent dry eyes by maintaining the integrity of the tear film. Berries, particularly blueberries and blackberries, contain anthocyanins that improve blood flow to the eyes and support healthy blood vessels. In addition to using herbal remedies and dietary adjustments, Barbara O'Neill emphasizes the importance of adopting healthy habits to support vision health. Regular eye exercises, such as focusing on near and far objects or practicing palming, covering the eyes with the palms to relax them, can help reduce eye strain and improve focus. Ensuring adequate sleep and taking breaks from screen time are also crucial for preventing eye fatigue and promoting overall eye well-being. Hydration is another key factor in maintaining healthy vision. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep the eyes moist and flushes out toxins that could otherwise harm eye tissues. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to click the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.